Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Looking at Crap. So today, the piece of crap that we are going to be looking at today is very special, very unique, and in my opinion, what you could maybe call one of the holy grails of a piece of crap hair product. This is one that is very special in that when I saw it many years ago, before my mission in my service in Africa, I knew that it had to come to my possession. One that is not common here in the United States. One that is very, very difficult to find even in its land of origin. A special product. One that just by its name alone brings conversation, questions, and people wondering, what on earth were the creators thinking? A product that also is quite possibly the most hilarious miscommunication that has ever happened in the entire hair product industry. This product, the infamous, the one, the only, Bung hair pomade. Now, every time I bring up this product, people tell me, what the heck is Bung pomade? And there's some history and a nice story that goes into before we put this piece of crap in my hair. So let's get into it. So let's start with the history of my connection with this Bung. So, as many of you know, how I kind of got started with the whole hair product thing and how I got really into it was through Facebook and through Facebook groups, specifically the group Everything Pomade. That's because there was a whole debacle with Addicted to Pomade and I got kicked out when I was 16 and that's a lot of garbage. But regardless, Everything Pomade was created. And in Everything Pomade I would post reviews, I would post my videos, and that's how I got transferred into my YouTube channel. So I met somebody on there, his name was Leroy Black, and when I was kind of in my prime and reviewing everything that people would send to me, he asked me if I could review Bung. So what I did was I asked him to send it to me and I just did a written review straight in the group. So I didn't post it to YouTube, no nothing, just because I thought it was too funny. So specifically, let's read what I said. More Indonesian pomade, Bung pomade. They really missed an opportunity to make a Beavis and Butthead pomade. Medium heavy, and you guessed it, waxy. This is sort of a cool water, and I like it. Virtually no shine, but I can dig it. Not the best I've ever used, but it's aight. Not bad by any means. And then I tagged Leroy Black. And the comment section is a masterpiece to behold. And I suggest join Everything Pomade, and you should read it. But apparently, Bung is pronounced Bung in Indonesian, and it means fella, buddy, bro, something like that. But oh my goodness, that is hilarious. Seeing it on here in English. Apparently the guy who originally made it, it wasn't Leroy Black, he just traded it to me. But apparently the guy who made it clearly knew what it meant. He spoke English, he knew what Bung is, but he just still went with it. I mean, I guess so, but good Lord, this is so funny. And I thought for looking at crap, why don't I put this piece of crap in my hair again? Because if I remember correctly, I was kind of being nice when I did my written review, and it really wasn't all that great because Indonesian pomades, they always left a bad taste in my mouth, you know, just because they're just not very well made. It's just waxy and hard and there's nothing more to it. So who knows what I'll think about it nowadays, now that I have way more experience and have used a lot more stuff and things have gotten a lot more innovative, how I'll feel about it. But let's put some Bung in my hair. So this Bung is all in Indonesian, so there's nothing on here that's in English, so cool if anything. And then on the inside it looks like nothing. As you can see, I only used it once, and that was many years ago, and it's just been sitting. The scent on it is kind of this cool water. I do like it, the way it smells. It's really, really light, and it's almost like, what's this? Pump's Not Dead, The Daily Grind. So you could say I enjoy smelling the Bung. Alright, now before I put it in my hair, of course I'm going to I'm going to put some water in my hair because, yeah, if this is waxy, it's going to pull out my hair. And I'm already losing hair. I'm already going bald, so I don't need to lose more. All right, moment of truth. I have not felt the bung in 3 years. Let's see how this bung holds up. Yeah, not terrible. I was not expecting it to come out that easy. I was expecting it to be way worse. Oh, but here's where it comes in. The clump. Breakdown's actually, it's kind of okay. Not bad. Well, hey, this is actually not terrible. I was expecting it to be really grippy and really strenuous on my hair, but honestly, not that bad. Especially because it's December. I thought that it would be, whoa, look at that. Because it's December, I thought it would be like, but it's actually just okay. And the watery scent is pretty nice. Wow, that applied in really okay. So let's look it back, see how it goes. Honestly, not terrible. Is to be expected for like a medium heavy. It's really just okay. Wow. Let me get in my part. Holds apart pretty well. Nice. Alright, so as I'm styling, I'm starting to see the issue with this stuff and it's the same issue that comes apart with really when products. Here it is. It's really hard to give it yourself a nice round shape if you don't have super long hair. Now, when I had really long hair before, it was easy to make things nice and round, but I keep my hair shorter because I have my receding hairline. So it's hard to make it nice and round. It's not impossible, but as you see, I have to like kind of manipulate it, whereas if I just were to try to poke it forward, it just goes straight up. And that's the problem with really heavy products. But I'll make it work. Alright, I think I'm going to call it right there. Wow. How does this bung make me feel? I really am just okay with it. I'd say I stick to my review that I gave it in 2015. It's just alright. It really is a lot better than most of the Indonesian stuff I've tried. Like, the ones that stick to my mind as so dang clumpy was like 8 Wolves, Strong Brave Attitude, and Torn Roby, terrible. Those ones they're just like, when you try to break them down, it's like that. But this really broke down just okay. It really was fine, especially considering that it's colder and it's in the colder months. My hands still feel a bit sticky, so it's hard to come out, and I can guarantee this is going to be really hard to get out of my hair just based on all the wax that's in it. So yeah, it's going to be hard to get out of my hair. Waxy pomades don't build up well. If I remember correctly, this stuff didn't either. It's really hard to get out of the hair, so it's just an inferior, out-of-date product. But when it comes to styling, it's really just fine, and it works out just okay. So, is it a piece of crap? The name's really crappy, but hilarious nonetheless. And product itself, it's really just okay. It's just fine. I might be the only person in America who owns this product, and I am proud to say that. And I know that I got it just because there was somebody who was faithful to me and loyal to my reviews and wanted to send it to me, and he sent it to me for free so many years ago. So I thank you for that, Leroy Black, if you're still out there. So yes, it's just really funny. It's a great, wonderful, fabulous piece to my collection, and I can say it would not be complete without it. If you can have your chance to get your hands on some bung, I would say touch that bung, make sure you put your hand out there, grab the bung, and you'll be able to have a satisfied, great hair product, and you'll be satisfied with the outcome, and you will love your hair. Only if you went straight forward and grabbed the bung, then you'll be very happy. So, bung pomade, you get a pass. Not a piece of crap. Thank you so much for watching my bungs. And thank you for staying all the way to the end. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more future content, more looking at crap, and more other various hair product stuff that I will be doing. I really appreciate it, and I will make sure to get in touch with as much as you as I can. But for now, goodbye.